My name is Oli. I'm the test driver of the 7X Rayo. Been working with David and 7X for a few years now. The plan in the future is to reach 300 miles an hour. This will be the first road legal coach-built car that will reach that goal. This vehicle is one-off, so it's the only one in the world. And Mrs. Group did all the work of creating the body and 7X design. And I have had the pleasure to be testing and driving this. This car is 1,900 horsepower, twin turbo. The whole drivetrain is different. It's having a sequential gearbox. It's like a race gearbox to take all that power. We did read officially 262, unofficially 278. Today we are at the Supercar Fest. There is a runway down that is only 1.2 kilometers. So we are just going to see how fast we are going in a public area and to showcase the car as well. That is part of the build-up to our end goal.